Hey beans, it's Ju, and as you can probably tell from my background, I'm not at home right now. So if you've watched some of my previous videos, you'll know that I went on a trip to Puerto Rico to help volunteer and help rebuild homes. And so right now I am living at a dorm room at a university called Universidad del Sagrado Corazón, and I'm super happy to be here, and I love it here, and I love the people here, and so far everything is going absolutely great. So I thought it would just be fun to show you what my dorm room that I'm staying in for 2 weeks looks like. So let's just go. Okay, so we're gonna start with the front door. So if I stand at the front door, we have our lights to control them, and this is what it looks like. So this is my side of the room, and this is my roommate's side. I'm not gonna show you that. So right next to the door is my closet. It has 2 doors, just like that. And I'll just show you. I always leave one door open. I just think it looks nicer. I don't know. So I hang my hat here, and I made this garbage, and then I just hang my loofah here because most of the time it's wet because I shower every single day. So now if you open the closet, it just looks like this. Little overview. So down here I have my suitcase, and then on top of it I have some dirty clothes because they need to air out. They get really sweaty from the work day, and so I just leave them there. Then over here is my wet bag that I've filled with all my dirty laundry, and then eventually I will do laundry, just not now. Then I have my towel and my head towel for my hair that I leave here drying because, as you know, I shower once a day and they get wet, so I have to leave them up to dry. Up here I have clothes that I won't really wear often, so shorts. If I'm working I can't wear shorts. A nice top, a sweater, and just another nice top, and just like a laundry bag, but that one's not a wet bag, it's just regular cloth, so I'd much rather use this one. But I just keep things I don't need very often up here. Then I just have on the second shelf, I have my packing cube with all of my bras and underwear and socks. I like to keep them in the packing cube so that when it's time for me to leave, I can easily just repack it. Then over here is work clothes and things that I wear very often. Then here are my 2 pairs of shoes, and down here are my work boots. As you can barely see, I'll show them to you. There we go. I cleaned them off for this video because they were really dusty. Okay, let me turn around. So here's my bed. All the bedding is from my house, and it's actually really, really comfortable. Just looks like this. I just have a sheet and a blanket and a little pillow. There's nothing on the walls, pretty bare, and there's a gap between the bed and the top. So here I have my portable charger charging, and then my phone charger. Then over here there are 2 desks underneath the air conditioner. This one's my desk. So I brought these fairy lights from home, and also this is a window. There's like little panels, as you can see, but you can kind of see down. There's a creep. But anyway, yeah, so I have my fairy lights. And then right here on the edge of the windowsill, I just keep all of my toiletries. So, as you can see, face wash, shampoo, body wash, gel, hair oil, and then I bought this at Walmart while we were here. And then I just have to do things. Then over here, I brought this from home as well. I got it from the dollar store. This little container, and I just keep my brushes, some toiletries that I don't pack often, a snack, a scent little packet, my bonnet, my toothbrush, and yeah. Over here are my conditioners that I purchased at Walmart, the Walmart around here, and then I have my soap, my toothpaste, I also got this at Walmart. It's some disinfecting wipes because the room was a little dusty when we arrived. And I have my water bottle and then my room key, which is $50 if I lose it. So I put it on a old scrunchie and well, hair tie. I know people don't call these scrunchies, but I do. So I put it on this old hair tie, and yeah. So then I don't have anything on these shelves, but in this top drawer right here, I have some medications, anti-diarrhea, Motrin, and Advil. And is Advil? Tylenol. I have some pens, a notebook for ideas, my headphones, a pen, 2 wipes, one for feminine areas and one just regular wipes, and a book. And then this is travel information that, you know. Then on this little chair here, I keep my backpack that I take to work every day. So it has all of my safety equipment and everything. And then I just leave my travel backpack, the one that I used as my personal item on the plane, right here because I don't use it. Then over here, kind of in more on my roommate's side, is our little kitchenette. And so let me just close her closet for a second. Hi! So we have a mirror here with a light, and we also have a sink, kind of messy, but it's fine. Then over here we have some cabinets. We don't use them. Then my roommate has some snacks here. We have another cabinet. We don't use it. Just an area right here. We have some laundry detergent, and this was a cup I was drinking juice out of. I know, so weird. It's more of a bowl. And then we have this mini fridge, and we have a whole bunch of drinks in here. Just water, my favorite, Diet Snapple, and my roommate has some stuff. And that is our little kitchen area. And if you just want to see my roommate, she just has her stuff. You know, she's out right now. And we are so fortunate to have an air conditioner that I turned off for this video. But yeah, that's my room. I think it's so cute and really homey for the next 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed watching my little Puerto Rican dorm room tour video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below if you've ever been to Puerto Rico, and if you did, where'd you go? So I'll see you in my next video.